Hey guys, what's going on? It's Philip with Trade Genius, and I wanted to do a binary update for you guys for October, first week of October actually, and we'll take a look at the daily indices. We'll take a look at our forex pairs, and we'll take a look at some commodities. So, without further ado, let's go take a look at some charts. All right, if we take a look at the daily, right here is our ES, and we'll just cover ES. Everything more or less is going to follow. Tech might be a little weaker, but everybody's been looking at the SPX, or in this case, we're looking at the ES futures. For Nadex, that's the US 500 contract. And 2520 area is an area that I've been looking at to fade generally, give or take 5 points. So like a weekly sell. We are at the top of the magic channel, and so I think we might be getting into a spot here where we might go up a bit into tomorrow, but after that we would roll over is my read. If we look over here, this is our yield curve ratio chart. Purple is ES, and then this green and red line is our yield curve. So basically yield curve goes down, bearish for SPX, and likewise if it goes up, but it's bullish. We like to pay attention to where they diverge, or they go in separate directions. So in this case, this is kind of waiting on the bearish side. We'll see what happens, but this could be kind of a start of something as far as if this rolls over, if this yield curve rolls over, I think that would bode well for the bears this week on the SPX. Shorting the SPX isn't a exercise that much have success with, especially in this environment with all of the central bank manipulation going on. But we are technically at a spot that looks like we could get some consolidation or a small pullback. So we'll see how that plays out. Okay, so then let's take a look at our forex pairs. So these are all the forex pairs in Nadex, and right now, I don't see a whole lot that we would hop on, let's say, in the next 24 hours, with the exception of possibly the euro pound cross. If we maximize this sell, if we get up in this 88.50 area, I would take a hard look at that, and then we might signal that out. That would be a swing type trade. And the dollar Swiss, I think the dollar is going to be under pressure to the downside this week. So I think if we see the 90, we could get down to the 92.40 area, I think, before we see some kind of bounce, and it may only be like a 24-hour bounce, but we could see a dip down there. So this level, this $93, I think, level is going to be pretty critical. If that breaks loose, then yeah, I think we do a quick trip down to 94.40 area in there. So we'll see how that plays out. Other than that, I don't see a ton of stuff going on that we'd be looking at hopping on in the next 24 hours at least. All right, let's take a look at commodities real quick. And we have kind of a consolidation going on in oil. Over 50 to 80 area, I'd be looking to fade, and any dips down to this pivot here, 51 area, would be looking to fade that as well on the downside. Natural gas gapped up. Nothing really to do immediately here, but I do suspect that we go higher this week. I think silver and gold are, if this level here is this 1280 level breaks, I'm not going to do anything here, but if it breaks, I would definitely want to swing long at this 1260 area. So we'll see how that plays out. Copper, kind of just in this channel nicely. We'll see if we get any fades for the week as this comes up. Nadex, copper options, as well as corn and soy, have really wide spreads, so not a big fan of those until those spreads shrink up. Corn, but I think corn and soy go higher. When you see them jump out of a kind of a consolidation like that, I would definitely be weary of fading this move. So we'll see how that plays out. That's pretty much it for this week's outlook. So if you're interested in getting into the binary room, click the link below. The binary crypto room is interesting. We cover not only these binary options, but also cryptocurrency, which has been having monster returns. And I think you'll be really, happy with getting into that room, learning about cryptocurrency. We have an excellent package right now where we have our basic course that'll get you totally immersed. If you don't really know what cryptos are about, it'll get into that. Courses 1 through 7, and a free year of the room, and that would be 50% off. Details are down below. You can click on that. If you're just interested in our binary signals, currently 50 and 1 since March for our high probability forex signals. Those are deeper in the money, but extremely high probability, and even in the room, we will signal out more in the room trades than we do the signals via Twitter. But the signal is extremely high probability, and from March we're currently on a 50 and 1 streak, so it's been working really well, hitting on all cylinders. So I encourage you to take a look at that. Again, links for those are down below, and you can click on those and check them out. So I hope you guys have a great trading week. We'll have some more videos as things progress during the week. Until then, guys, take care. Have a great trading week. Bye.